Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix messenger call did not answer problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold messenger app, click this icon, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Open on Google Play Store, search messenger, update messenger app if available on Play Store. Open on messenger app. You may be blocked it, so you cannot call. If he unblocks you, you can call him. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.